Okay, this is Lethal Fire 62. I'm still here with Hoxytrix, and we're about to go on a different mission. So yeah, it's gonna be filled with excitement, and it's gonna be awesome. Let's go.
Base plate, we're online. Mid on view.
Roger that, Bravo 6. There are multiple trucks in the docks marked Charity worldwide. At this time, we believe they are target.
That's a dodgy way of doing cherry work.
The trucks are leaving the docks right now.
Our source say we'll have a transport.
Intel on this orb shows the shipment came from high-value targets overseas. Be advised, one of the trucks is still at the docks.
I want to get a Spectre in here and sink the whole bloody thing in the river.
Too high profile, Bravo 6. Vulture's birds will provide air cover for now.
Let's just get this thing done and dusted.
FLIR is picking up heat signatures in the warehouses. You will need to clear those buildings before securing the truck.
My team will take warehouse 1, Bravo 9 will handle the other.
I don't know what it means by disturbing content. I really don't know what you mean by that.
Copy that. All teams, you've got the nod. Mission is a go.
Alright, mate.
No, it's not. I did it with the other video. It's that giant.
That's the warehouse in front of us. We'll sweep it and you clean. Alley clear, move. Got 2 more inside. Make sure they don't wake up.
You can post the videos. I heard worse than freaking die. I heard worse than freaking Tobuscus than that. Okay. So yeah.
Charlie's in the alley, 10 meters. Take them down.
Yeah, but still, I heard worse than that. So post the video say it's penis or boobies or something like that.
Ready? Alright, cut him. Room clear. Up the stairs.
I don't know what you mean, but whatever. It's freaking let's continue.
Got movement up ahead.
Dude, you gotta say something funny before this video becomes
Sounds
a
like
lot
more
of
in the corner.
Lidl!
Jets.
Oh, look at that double Lidl. The Lidl spawn grenadier. It's a special key. Can you just say that again?
Send them.
I just freaking died. I said Lidl, and then 2 grenades came at me and I died.
Lidl!
No more shoot!
Oh my god! Oh my god! That was intense. No. Yes, I did. Dude, I'm not recording from the Xbox. I'm recording from my what do you call it? Dude, I don't have a Kinect. You know that, right? No? So what do you mean freaking read stupid content? I don't know what that is. No, that's because you probably have parental lock or something. Oh shit! Sergeant Wolfenberg! Help me! Waffleberg. Isn't it a Waffleberg? I don't know. Do you think I know? Do you think I would give a crap if I even knew? Oh, you want to talk? You want to talk now? You're dead. I thought so. Oh, let's open the doors now, bro. Let's open the doors. Bro, there's there's a big bomb in the doors! Oh,
It's empty. What's the status on the rest of them?
Bravo 6, be advised.
Oh my god, there's a portal! It's nasty. My name is Burger Wonderber. BB07. What'd you say there were shits in there? That's what I thought. That's what I thought. You mean there ain't no shiz? You can't say that. You can't say that. It's very mean. Very mean and not nice. It's not noise. It's not noise. Whenever you say okay, you sound like the guy who says, bye, have a beautiful time after you have George Lopez. Wait, say that again.
I have everything. Hey, hello, big fan. And I fucking love.
Is he trying to be Mexican?
I didn't say that. I don't know how to speak English. I just said a random word.
Vulture 2, keep us covered.
Space inbound for tracking.
Yes, you said the world. What did you say? Hear that? No, I don't curse. I don't curse. You can curse all you want. I don't curse. What do I say? Ass, crap, and really rarely bitch. That's really all I say. Yeah, extremely rarely.
We're taking heavy fire from the west. I need you to handle the gate.
Whoa! Take a chill first. Dude! I got a big tubey thingy! Yeah, I have a big I have a big booby thingy. It's really noisy.
Don't get a shot, you
Are these like criminal convicts or something? Dude, I think I just killed this guy.
222, go ahead and check stops. Find out where they're headed.
It's like wait, you just have to wait a little bit. You suck! You shoot people from behind if you don't know how to play the game. Woo! You said legal this time. Oh my god, let's get in the big truck penis! What? Why does everything have to be about penis? Whoa! Boobies! Oh my god, let's capture the boobies. We gotta capture the boobies. No, that's what I think we should do. Whoa, RPG!
6,
It's easy as 1, 2, 3, and then the door, ABC, 1, 2, 3, you and me there. Oh my god, it's civilians! Don't look, don't show your children these shooting. Train! Of course you can get a shot.
This line goes straight to Westminster. We have to stop this thing now.
Let's go, you got a shot! OMG, the train just went boom boom! truck. You're getting on the truck. I fell off the truck. Oh, look, a movie. Oh, shh. Let's get some popcorn. I don't care that a freaking cloud is online. Ooh, saving. Part 2, I guess.
Bravo 6, come in. Bravo 6, do you copy?
Lance.
Bravo 6, what's your status?
The train's done in under Westminster. Those bastards were using it for transport.
Be advised, the trucks are headed in your direction. Get topside an RV with Bravo 2.
Copy.
Oh, look.
All that.
Okay.
It's just
Now we can actually walk. I'm surprised. We should have broken our leg.
Take to Westminster Station.
Copy Bravo 6. Teams are en route to ETA 10 minutes.
We don't have 10 minutes. We have 1 minute. We have no minutes. We have no minutes. That's why you have to take Verizon and T-Mobile for those extra minutes. Those extra minutes. Sponsor. Oh, that is hashtag busted. No, you don't sponsor stuff. Oh, you wanna play like that? I thought so. You just let them crawl with their thing. Whoa, he had some period. I just headshotted
We apologize for the delay, but there is a security incident.
That's Jeffrey Dunn. I need it. Okay. Oh, just run away.
On station at 5.
Ow! Why? Why are you scared? It's a cave, goddamn.
Local police are arriving on scene. Bravo 2 will be on station in 5 minutes.
Get cover! I said get to cover! I'm at cover, you idiot.
Push it! They're falling back!
Oh, they're falling back. Ow! Whoa! Escalator! Oh, I thought it was gonna fall all the way down. That would be funny.
Cheeky bastards!
Cheeky! Whoa! You can't say that. I told you I don't say that often either, so I'm not even gonna repeat what he said there.
Target at 1 o'clock! Good night!
What he said to that? What he said about that guy? Like a cheeky bacon and bacon. A BASTARARD. I don't really say that a lot, so I'm not gonna copy it every time. I rarely say that. I'm not even gonna repeat it. Just forget about it. I said I'm not gonna repeat and that's that.
This is a reminder to all passengers that no smoking allowed on any
My ass.
This is a Piccadilly line service to Cockfosters.
Oh my god. Ambulance! Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe because we're outside in London in the next episode. See you guys next time.